सदा भवानी दायिने गौरी पुत्र गणेश, 5 देव रक्षा करें ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। सदा भवानी दायिने गौरी पुत्र गणेश, 5 देव रक्षा करें ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। सदा भवानी दायिने गौरी पुत्र गणेश, 5 देव रक्षा करें ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। सदा भवानी दायिने गौरी पुत्र गणेश, 5 देव रक्षा करें ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। सदा भवानी दायिने गौरी पुत्र गणेश, 5 देव रक्षा करें ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। Namaste beloveds, and we are here at the Peepal Tree. We have lit a ghee ka diya. Today is Tuesday, so we have done it for Mars Mangal and for Shukra Venus to strengthen and make both auspicious. Okay, and the prayer we have said is Sada Bhavani Daine Gauri Putra Ganesh, 5 Dev Raksha Kare Brahma Vishnu Mahesh, which means Hanumanji is also included in this because he is also part of this. Mangal is Hanumanji, Venus is the Divine Mother, right? I have explained this prayer to you before. So please look into the flame as it begins and ask for your wish. We ask this for Mother Earth, all beings and kingdoms upon her. Okay? Jai Mata Di.